Hi, baby.
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you ready to be unwrapped? What do you think? What do you think? Give me a smile.
This
Okay.
is Spencer's morning ritual of being unwrapped out of the burrito.
Yay, your arms are free. Your arms are free. Stretch. Big stretches. Big stretches. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Big stretches. Good job, buddy. Does that feel better, huh? Yeah. Got it. Yeah, you still
Hold
stretching?
on.
Oh, get those eyes. Yes, get those eyes. Hi. You look so concerned. Hi. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Yeah, smiles. There's some smiles. Smiles. Hi, sweetie.
Mm,
Stop.
okay.